Hello Leos and welcome to your weekly love reading. So this is a weekly love reading for the sign of Leo and this is from the 20th till the 26th of January. Okay, so keep in mind that this is a general reading, okay, and collective reading here. So not every message is going to resonate to your situation. However, if you had a calling to click on this reading, then these messages are for you. So let's see messages for the sign of Leo. Let's see messages for the sign of Leo. Let's see messages for the sign of Leo. So since this is a love reading, we have that somebody in your life जिसकी वजह से आपकी ज़िंदगी में आपकी हेल्थ ख़राब हो गई थी. कोई ऐसा पर्सन, कोई ऐसा कनेक्शन था जिन्होंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक आपकी सेल्फ इस्टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट किया, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डिच किया और आपके माइंड में बहुत ज़्यादा फियर्स क्रिएट किए. उनकी वजह से लाइक आपकी जो ग्रोथ थी, ग्रोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर लाइक होल लाइफ, लाइक योर love life and like your prosperity and your abundance and your financial matters सब disturb हुए because of this relationship, because this person was not fully transparent about their feelings and emotions and this person was not giving you equal give and take and this person was not like basically this person was not ready to commit that they were wrong because they were okay. And I see that this person played mind games with you. This person was very in and out, very hot and cold, very wishy-washy, and yeah, you are dealing here with a person जिनको actually आपकी माफ़ी मांग के दोबारा आपकी ज़िंदगी में आना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इन person ने आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रामा और chaos क्रिएट किया है और जिसकी वजह से आपकी सेल्फ इस्टीम, आपकी हेल्थ, आपकी पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा मुतासिर हुई है. और तो और मतलब इन्होंने आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा फियर्स को भी डेवलप किया है. सो let's see messages for the sign of Leos. 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 Okay. For some of you, we have these cards: gossip, prayer, joy, and despondence. Then we have release. सो फॉर सम ऑफ़ यू ऐसा मैसेज आ रहा है दैट ये जो पर्सन है इनको आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी से रिलीज़ करने की ज़रूरत है. यू नीड टू कट दिस पर्सन आउट ऑफ योर लाइफ इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव ग्रोथ एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड अबंडेंस इन योर लाइफ, बिकॉज ये पर्सन की वजह से आपकी हेल्थ ख़राब हो रही है, आपकी पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ पे भी असर पड़ रहा है. और ये पर्सन हैं या a group of people, they are gossiping about you, they are gossiping about either your secrets or like that. and for आपकी ज़िंदगी में, आपकी दिल में अभी भी होप बाकी है that you are praying for this connection. prayer है तो definitely you are praying for this connection. You want this person to come back in your life. You don't want to release this person. You want to release the negativity out of your life, but you don't want to release this person. Why? Because you see their joy, your joy and happiness with you. But I see कि कोई आपके बारे में gossip कर रहा है, कोई आपके बारे में बातें फैला रहा है, कोई आपको discuss कर रहा है. Let's see Leos. What else do we have for the sign of Leo? Let's see what else do we have for the sign of Leo. Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles. You could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Four of Wands. Then we have the Seven of Wands. Then we have the King of Swords. So we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Swords, we have the Six of Wands, we have the Knight of Wands. Now I am sensing something for you, and that is कि ये person आपके साथ इतना hot and cold and इतना wishy-washy क्यों थे? Because like publicly तो इन्होंने आपका जो आपका अफेयर था या आपका ये जो एक शॉर्ट टर्म या एक कह लें अनरिलायबल कनेक्शन था, ये तो पब्लिक को दिखाया. बट व्हेन यू आस्क दिस पर्सन टू गेट मैरिड टू यू एंड टू गेट कमिटेड in a relationship with them, this person became wishy-washy, hot and cold. This person cutted you out from their life. This person became very unreliable, very unfaithful. With the two of pentacles, I also see कि ये person बहुत ज़्यादा confused थे because they kept their options open. Okay, and with the knight of swords, आप इन्हें चेस कर रहे थे and probably they were the one who was running away from this situation. You wanted a public recognition, you wanted a public connection with this person, like you should get married to each other with the four of wands. लेकिन इन person ने ऐसा कोई like इनके कोई ऐसे तासुरात नहीं थे. Rather they cutted you out from their life. They have a very unreliable energy with the knight of swords and with the knight of wands, and between that we have the six of wands. That means that they want to win your heart, they want to win you back, but then their unreliability and their instable energy came between the two of you. However, I see कि ये पर्सन आपसे कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हैं और विद द एट ऑफ वैंड्स मैं इनकी तरफ से आपकी तरफ कम्युनिकेशन आते हुए देख रही हूँ. Four of wands, make a wish. This is a card of 1111 and this is a card of a wish come true as well, and this person see you as their wish come true. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Leos. Show me this person's energy and feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Leos. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Leos. So we have the Hierophant, then we have the Page of Pentacles, then we have the Six of Cups and the Lovers. You could be dealing with the Taurus, you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then we have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and we have the Lovers, Gemini energy. Bottom of the deck we have the Page of Swords, we have the Judgment, okay, and we have the Page of Cups. This person is thinking about bringing a love offer to you, and I also see that no contact situation में भी ये आपके ऊपर नज़र बनाए हुए हैं. आइदर ये अपने दोस्तों से विद दैट गॉसिप कार्ड ये अपने दोस्तों से आपके बारे में मालूमात या इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हैं. But this person is seriously thinking about taking a decision regarding you because they have love for you. With the Lovers, they feel that you are their soulmate, twin flame, divine counterpart, divine masculine, divine feminine. With the Six of Cups, this person feels that they should have a reconciliation with you. With the Hierophant, again this person wants to give you a long-term committed relationship offer. Page of Pentacles से आपकी तरफ कोई communication आ सकती है. And with the Page of Swords, I see that this person is stalking you. बेसिकली ये पर्सन लाइक ये सर्च कर रहे हैं कि कैसे आपकी तरफ आया जाए, कैसे आपसे बात की जाए, क्या डिसीजन लेना चाहे. हो सकता है जब माजी में आप दोनों साथ थे तो ये पर्सन आपसे ज़्यादा एडवाइस लेते थे, लेकिन अब जिस तरह के लोग इनके इर्द गिर्द हैं और जिस तरह के लोगों से इन्हें एडवाइस मिल रही है, दे आर नॉट रिलायबल पीपल और इन्हें कोई अच्छी एडवाइस दी नहीं जा रही. However, what they intuitively feel about you is that they have love for you. With this Lovers and with this Six of Cups, they want a reconciliation with you, and with this Hierophant, they want a long-term committed offer with you. And with the Page of Pentacles, they are thinking about bringing a love offer. And of course, with the Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, they are thinking about bringing you a love offer. Let's see. Show me Leo's feelings and energy towards this person. Show me Leo's feelings and energy towards this person. We have the Moon, Cancerian and Pisces energy. Then we have King of Pentacles. You have a very high vibrant energy. Then we have the Nine of Cups. And then we have the Two of Cups. And bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Swords, then we have the Devil, Capricorn energy, and Ten of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Cancerian and Pisces energy is also very strong. I feel like ye person, you see this person as your wish come true, and vice versa, because this person has also love for you. Two of Cups on your side, Lovers on their side, shows that this person has love for you, feelings for you, but with the Moon, they kept their feelings hidden, they kept their emotions hidden from you. However, with the King of Pentacles, इन्हें पता है that you have a very high vibrant energy, आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा high vibrant energy है, and that you bring a lot to the table, and they should have to match your energy by giving you equal give and take, because they have realized that you won't take less than what you deserve. However, आप दोनों के बीच में कोई नेगेटिव ऑब्सेसिव लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं जो आप इस रिलेशनशिप के बीच में, यू नो, लाइक वी हैव बिटवीन द एस ऑफ सॉर्ड्स एंड द 10 ऑफ कप्स, ये पर्सन आपके साथ क्लैरिटी देना चाहते हैं, आपको रिलेशनशिप देना चाहते हैं, कमिटमेंट ऑफर देना चाहते हैं, लेकिन बीच में डेविल है जो कि ये प्रेजेंट कर रहा है कि बीच में कोई नेगेटिव एनर्जी, कोई क्योस, कोई ड्रामा इन्वॉल्व है, कोई नेगेटिव लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, कोई थर्ड पार्टी, ऐसी टॉक्सिक पार्टी इन्वॉल्व है जो आप दोनों को करीब आने से रोक रही है. हाउएवर मैं इन पर्सन की तरफ से आपकी तरफ क्लैरिटी और कम्युनिकेशन आते हुए देख रही हूँ, एंड आई ऑल्सो सी कि ये पर्सन आपको कोई लव, लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप ऑफर, कोई लव ऑफर देना चाहते हैं. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. We have the Devil and the Page of Cups. Then we have the 10 of Cups and we have the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck we have Hermit, Virgo energy, Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Wands. बेसिकली ये पर्सन अपनी एनर्जी को क्लियर करना चाहते हैं. ये जो नेगेटिव एनर्जी है, क्योटिक एनर्जी है, इनके अंदर एक जल्दबाजी की एनर्जी है, ये जो दूसरे लोगों की बातों में बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं, ये उसको क्लियर करना चाहते हैं. और डेविल से ये, यू नो, दिस आई वोंट टेक दिस एज, यू नो, लाइक दे वर विशी वॉशी इन द पास्ट, लेकिन आप दोनों के बीच में ज़्यादा नेगेटिव पार्टी की इन्वॉल्वमेंट है जो ज़्यादा क्योस एंड ड्रामा, फसाद क्रिएट करते हैं. However, with this devil over here, I see that this person is obsessing over you, and this person is very, you know, very much drawn into you. And with the Page of Cups and with the 10 of Cups, I see that this person is ready to bring an offer of love and peace. And with the 10 of Cups, they are ready to bring a long-term committed relationship offer towards you. Right now, they have secluded themselves from the environment. However, मैं इन पर्सन को कुछ सीक्रेट्स रिवील करते हुए देख रही हूँ. एंड विद द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून, दे वांट टू चेंज एवरीथिंग, दे वांट टू स्टार्ट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. एंड विद द क्वीन ऑफ वैंड्स, आई सी दैट दिस पर्सन is seriously thinking about cutting ties with that third party. Okay, with the devil and with the you know, we have the King of Swords over here as well. So this person is thinking about cutting ties with the third party and coming towards you, so that ये चीज़ों को चेंज करें, ट्रांसफॉर्म करें और आपके साथ एक नया साइकिल स्टार्ट करें. After completing a tough cycle, they want to start a new cycle with you. So I will leave this reading over here. Thank you so much, Leos. That's all I have for you. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.